Hello everyone, it's CMonkey420 back again with another PlayStation 3 type of video podcast, do-it-yourself, what do you want to call it? Anywho, so I've been blogging about how I've been using my PS3 mainly for multimedia purposes, putting movies on there and everything. So I went out today. I had myself here a 250 gigabyte 0ATA hard drive, Hitachi. Got it for about I think 60 was at Best Buy. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to kind of show you how you upgrade the hard drive, since this is my third hard drive I'm going through. Originally I started with the 60 gig, I turned it off first, and then I upgraded to 160 gig, which I then sold to my buddy, because I wanted to get more. So, for example now, we have everything disconnected here. Put that down for a second. Tip it up here on the other side. On the left side, when you look at the front here, this little hard drive tab, pop that out, and here you'll have this is the hard drive case. First thing you need to do is just take that screw off. Again, I'd truly recommend just a hand, screwdriver for that kind of stuff, because last thing you want to do is strip the screw. And basically what you do now is you just grab this handle here, slide forward, pull it out. Bada bing, bada boom. The original hard drives usually, for most things these days, seem to be Seagates. I think it's kind of just because Seagate's pretty known for their reliability. And the last thing we'll have to do here, I'm going to put this down like this while I do this, is we need just to remove the screws like right here and here. There's 4 screws total, and that's all there is to it. Again, flip it like that. Just do that here. Slide it forward. La-da-dum. Put that down. Put your screw in. Oh yeah, by the way, their competitor, or competing console, that 360, it's checking hard drive prices out, and it costs about 60 to 80 bucks for their 20 gigabyte hard drive. I just threw a 250 gigabyte hard drive into my PS3 for 160 bucks, so I don't know. That's why I guess I got the PS3. So now, the last thing we'll do here, let me hook up. And prior to all of this stuff, I actually did a full backup to an external hard drive I had. My backup ended up being about 37 gigs since I removed all the videos, since I have that already on my PC. So there we go. So now, let me do this. Here. Get rid of those. Power on this son again. Of course, the first thing we'll need to have handy is a cable to connect to the... If you guys are like me, a PS3 Wii guy, a really cool thing I found out about the Wii is that the USB ports, when it's in standby, are always powered. So, in turn, I have this cable charging my Bluetooth headset. And the other cable I use is, ironically, to charge my PS3 controllers. So, here we go. Let's change inputs. Been using my home theater PC lately to watch Netflix out here on my HD TV, and the Netflix movies look actually really decent. An IE7 on a Vista. So, here we are. Gonna have a rock fest here with my buddies too tonight, so again, I apologize for the lack of tripod for this one. Oh, would I like to format? I would. Gotta love the quick format though. Don't really need to do a full one, since obviously it's a blank hard drive, so there's nothing to destroy or anything. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna cut off this light here. Blah blah blah. Of course, the settings are all whacked out because it's, well, it's all whacked out like that. The weird thing is I noticed that my system settings are still on my machine after a new hard drive, which I thought was not supposed to happen. Anywho. So now we're going to go here to our settings, and then we want to go back into system settings. Then we want to go down to beautiful backup utility, restore. Yes, I would. There's my hard drive. We'll select that, and now I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It should tell us here, and hopefully within. There's my backup file. Are you sure? Yes, please. So hopefully what this will do is it should take it'll reformat again. So I didn't really need to do the format to start with, but what the heck, right? It takes 10 seconds. And now after this, hopefully in a couple hours I'll have all my music back on here, my settings, all my music with the tags too. Now I have to transfer my video back over again too, which I'll use an external hard drive to do all that stuff. So okay. And I think I'm up on my limit here for my YouTube videos. So to that, you can upgrade your hard drive in less than, as you can see now, 10 minutes for the PS3. Again, 5400 or 7200 RPM, 0 ATA 150, 0 ATA 300 will work too. It just will, downgrade. You won't take advantage of the faster speeds. So, and it'll take about an hour and a half for this to restore, which hopefully should work out fine here. Alright, peace.